Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for January 17, 2020. Today we're looking at the EURUSD, the euro, versus the US dollar. For today's trade analysis here on this screen, I have two different charts. On the left-hand side, of course, is the euro dollar. On the right-hand side is the US dollar index. You can see that the dollar index has been moving up over the past 2 days. The last two candles on the right-hand side, two blue candles from the purple zone, pushing through the green zone today, and targeting back towards the blue shaded area. That's what we're looking at today on the dollar. And the opposite of that, of course, is the euro dollar in the past 2 days, yesterday and so far today, pressuring lower. Basically, I wanted you to see the comparison here between what the dollar is doing and what the euro is doing. And you can see with the trend lines, the black trend lines, rising on the left, falling on the right, the blue trend lines falling on the left, rising on the right. Basically, and essentially, you can consider these opposing viewpoints. Whatever the dollar is doing, rising or falling, you're going to look for the opposite to happen on the euro dollar. It's pretty easy to see that looking at it in this vantage point right here. So as the dollar's moving higher and pushing through what was resistance, let's just kind of zoom that in a little bit. You can see resistance here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days around 96, 95, 97. Today we're above it. So the expectation is on the dollar is that if it stays above the green zone, we'll see it continue to the blue zone, which is 97, 15, 20. That's the expectation. It's not a guarantee at all, but that's the expectation. The buyers are in control. Yesterday, today, we see it pushing through what was resistance. Well, the last few times it got above the green zone and went to the blue zone. So there's a higher expectation of that. And if that's true, then we would expect on the left-hand side that the euro dollar would continue to go down and potentially break out underneath 111.05, 111.15. And that's what trading is. It's an if and then. Everything we do as traders, no matter what indicator or strategy you're using, it's an if and then. If this happens, then we expect this to happen. If the dollar breaks 97 and continues to go up, then we expect the euro dollar to break 111.15.05 and go down. That's just the if and then of the correlating move of the dollar and the euro. So what we're going to look for on the euro dollar, and let's go ahead and zoom it in one time, is that it breaks down through this yellow shaded area. Last time we challenged underneath it, it went all the way to the purple zone, 111 or 110.85. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a breakout setup under the yellow zone. Now, if you sold the orange zone, if you went short at the orange shaded area, then you're already in profit, and you should be protecting that profit. If you bought the US dollar when it was down at the purple zone, then you're already in profit, and you should be protecting profit. That's really all there is to it. But if you're not already in it, this is what I'm looking for the next entry. The final breakdown of 111.05, the hold above the green zone, 97 on the dollar, targeting back down to the purple zone for the euro dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.